Hello, dear students. Today we are studying how to measure the angles using the protractor. Okay, so already you saw a video about the what are the use of the protractor, how these measurements. Okay, so here is the protractor. Okay, you can see that the scale shown here. Okay, it is from, you can see, from right to left, from the right to, from here to here. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, down, isn't it? Down it is written as 0, 10, like that, isn't it? And from this, from left to right, 0, 10, 20, 30, like that, it is increasing up to here 180. From right here it is 0 to 180 here. Okay, down, understand? So two readings we can see that. Why we having that kind of reading, that I will explain to you. Okay, before that, how can we measure an angle? Okay, so this protractor is used to measure the angle, isn't it? So how we are measuring? Using the protractor. Okay, so I am placing the protractor. This is the angle we need to measure, isn't it? First one here. Okay, so I am placing this protractor on this angle. Okay, so when you are placing the protractor, our origin should be here. That means we have to place the protractor like this way. This is our origin, this is means this is our center, this is the angle forming. Okay, oh, okay, so that you can see that there is a this is the baseline. I told you this is the baseline, understand? This down line, you can see that 0 to 180, this line, this is called the baseline. In that line our angles baseline should become. And on here, this is the center point, this center point, this is, you can see that this is the point, this point that we have to be keep here. Okay, this point we have to be keep on here, and the baseline should be on here. Like that way, how can we keep? Can we keep like this way? We can't keep. That means if you are keeping like this, means you are going to measure B, but we need to measure which angle? We need to measure the angle O. So that we have to keep this one on here. For that one we have to keep like this way, understand? That means this is now we can see that adjusting the baseline. Okay, you can see that it is now coincide with this baseline is coincide with which one? Its baseline, understand? Like that way we have to give. Just see how I am placing. Okay, okay, like that. This origin should be on here. Okay, and this baseline should be coincide here. Okay, okay, now I placed it. Okay, now I placed it. Now this baseline, which one we have to read? We have to read it as 0, because this is the starting. From that we have to read. Okay, you can read it as 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, not 180, 170, 160. Don't read like that, understand? That one use I will explain to you. Here we have to start from the 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this one is on the here. Okay, this is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Understand? 10 divisions are there, isn't it, in between? So this is what? This is 65. Understand? So here the starting must be 0, isn't it? That's why we have to take this one, not this one. 180. Don't take 180. You have to take a 0. Understand? Okay, now take next one, B. Okay, B also we have to be measure the B also. Okay, for that we have to place all this one on here. Okay, like the same way, understand? This point must be comes on here, and this baseline should be coincide with this one, understand? Like that way we have to keep best. Okay, don't go like this, don't go like this. Oh, understand? Should be like that. Okay, understand? Okay, now I placed this one. Okay, here it is. This is one, this baseline it is going, and 0 you have to start from the 0, understand? So baseline 0 is here, and from that one, that marks readings we have to read 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, understand? So this is 55. Then this, all these figures are like this way. That's why I drew one figure here. Okay, all these figures is same way, because you have to measure all these figures using protractor. And you may be doubted about what is the use of the upper marks, isn't it? That's one. For to explain that one, I drew one more figure. Okay, that is this way. You can see that this one is different with all other these figures. Here you can see that all the angle is formed like this way, isn't it? In this way it is formed. But what is the difference? Here the angle is formed, this one angle is formed here, understand? Like this way it is formed, like this way. That kind of figure is not here. If a figure is, or an angle is formed like this way, we have to use the protractor to measure it, understand? That time we will use that one. Okay, that one I am going to explain to you. Okay, here you can see that understand, I placed the protractor. Okay, this is my protractor, and I am placing my protractor, okay, like this way. This is the baseline, isn't it? It's this one baseline is what, this one, understand? We cannot take like this way. Here in this figure we take this baseline from here to here, but for this picture we have to take this side, isn't it? Because the angle is like that way, understand? Very very easy. Okay, so this way I kept here. Okay, now you can see that here we have to take which one, lower or upper? Here we have to take upper mark, because 0 is on here upper, understand? Like that way we have to measure. Anyway, where it is the baseline, from there 0 we have to start. For this figure, what happened? We have to take this side, understand? So that we have to count it. So you can see that 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, it is nearly 50, this angle. Okay, so this is 50. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, in this case we took this side. For all other cases we have to take this side, understand? So depending upon the figure, we are actually taking this adjusting the protractor. Okay, and in this way we are measuring the angles too. I hope that all of you understand it. So if you have any doubts, you have to watch the video again, and you will understand more. And still if you are finding the doubts, we can I will explain to you. Okay, just ask me, then I will clarify your doubts. So this is the way we are using the protractor, understand? So all of you measure all these angles using the protractor after watching this video. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand. Just one more figure I will explain to you. This way you have to keep. Okay, this way you have to keep, understand? This coincide should be there. Okay, now you can see that it is very clearly it is kept there. Okay, 0, 10, 20. Here you have to take this 0 baseline, 0, 10, 20, 30. This is what now it is on 40, not 140, understand? Don't take 140, because we started from the baseline 0 here, 0. In that reading only you have to check. Down thing should be okay, you have to take. Don't take upper parts. Why we are taking? Which time we are taking? We are taking when this angles is like this way, understand? That time we will take this upper part. Okay, here when how we take what happened, this baseline on here, this one 0 is on here. And if the angle is big, here angle is small, but angle is like this way, means it will constitute 90, 100, like that way, understand? That we will study it. Okay, so hope all of you understood. Here one more last figure. This one is very big one. How we are getting big angles, I will show you. Okay, same case this one we will get also. Okay, this one I am keeping like this way. Okay, okay, you can see this is very the center, and this 0, 10 here, the baseline here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And where is our yes, here is our angle. It is exactly on 110. That's why 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80. This is 90 center angle. 100, and this is which on? It is on 110, understand? You can see that 110. This line is on 110 down. Okay, not to 70, because down parts we are taking 0, 10, isn't it? So down only you have to take 110. So this angle measurement is what? 110. Okay, hope you all of you understood how we are measuring the angles. Okay, all of you try measuring all these angles. Okay, thank you all.